Hey, good afternoon. It's Jeremiah Mobility 316. Got this 2025 Toyota Sienna. We bought this back from a customer. It has 4,000 miles on it. They were no longer using it, so we're gonna find a good home for it. It's got the rear entry ADA and TLC compliant 40-inch wide ramp. I can operate this entire conversion with 2 fingers. Now, I know a lot of you don't have 15-20 minutes to watch our super detailed video. For those of you in a hurry, just give me 60 seconds here. I can operate this entire conversion. 2 fingers, pinch, flip, take this ramp to the ground using only my index finger. Okay, weighs about what a gallon of milk would. I like these rear entries. You know, if you're starting a business, you definitely want the wider rear entry. This 40-inch wide ramp. You get a side entry on 30-inch wide ramp. All these facilities, all these brokers are gonna say, nah, I don't wanna use you. You can't even do half the chairs out here because your ramp's not big enough. That's how you go right to the bottom of the list. That's how you kill your business. Also, if there's a vehicle parked here and a side entry, you couldn't get out because you're blocked in by the vehicle. That doesn't happen with the rear entry. The rear entry have about 2 or 3 more inches of ground clearance for getting over rougher terrain, including snowdrift during the wintertime. And they're about $10,000 more affordable to convert, therefore more affordable for you to purchase. Some of the major advantages to the rear entry. But if you're looking for a side entry, what about a full size like a ProMaster or Transit? We got the wheelchair accessible trucks and SUVs. We have about 100 vehicles here in Wichita, Kansas with free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus dealers fees, financing available, and a best price guarantee. If you don't see it at mobility316.com, we're probably either getting it ready or we can help find it for you. 1,000 pound weight capacity. You got about 57 inches of room coming inside the van and about 59 inches of headroom once you're inside the van. This is a super rare. It's got the 2 seats up front, 2 jump seats in the second row. It's got this 3rd row flip bench seat, so this will actually flip down. You'll check out our pictures, you'll see how it works, but it's very easy. Push these 2 red buttons there and there at the same time, 2 hands, folds down super easy. Flip the bench up. You can do 6 people plus a wheelchair. Allows a lot of versatility. With the mount here, there's about 31 inches of room between here and the firewall, okay? So a chair bigger than 31 won't get in here. If you say to me, hey Jeremiah, I want that seat out of there, I don't want it in there, I want to be able to use that super wide ramp, get the wide wheelchairs in here, you let us know, we'll take it out, we'll put a couple caps in there, you'll never know it was there, all right? Got your shoulder harnesses there, we got your Q-strength tie downs in here. We can upgrade those to the nicer high-end Q-strengths if you want to at affordable cost. Got a couple of jump seats in here, nice center console, Q-strength tie down and warranty information there. And of course, this van is pretty much dang near brand new condition. Like I said, only 4,000 miles on it. Got all our power doors up here, so we can get everybody secure. Come back out, simply reverse the process. It still has the nationwide VMI factory warranty on the conversion. 3 years, 36,000 miles is what it came with, so it still has a lot of that left. And don't be fooled by the big box stores. A lot of those cats at Mobility Works, United Access, they're gonna tell you things like, oh, you gotta buy from us here at the big box store so we can service this vehicle at any of our 100 locations. Folks, simply not true. You can get this vehicle serviced at any Vantage VMI dealer in the entire country. So don't be tricked into spending $10,000 too much by that used car salesman, all right? Quick walk around of the van, you know, still excellent, still brand new condition. Got your running boards here. Pros and cons of the running boards, you have your handle inside here. Can, you know, use these to step up, get inside the van, makes life easier. Cons, they stick out about 5 inches on each side, and they hang down about 6 or 7 inches. So if you say to me, Jeremiah, I want you to remove those running boards, I can. We won't charge you anything to do that, so completely up to you to decide what works for your family, what works for your business model. Tinted windows. I'm gonna show you all the tires on here, okay? Again, 4,000 stinking miles on this van. It doesn't get much more brand new than this, other than being brand new, obviously. And you hear me talk all the time how we can save you $10,000 on your wheelchair accessible vehicles. How we do it is simple, it's low overhead. I started this company 14 years ago. I had one goal in mind. I wanted to produce the highest quality wheelchair vans in the country at the absolute lowest cost. I said, how am I gonna do that? How am I going to do that? I don't wanna copy United Access. Mobility Works superior with their dozens to hundreds of locations. They literally have millions of dollars more in overhead every single month that I don't have. That's why they have to charge so much for the vehicle. So I said, what I'm gonna do, 5 simple steps. I wanna crush their pricing, but I still wanna be able to help service the entire country. I said, number one, I'm starting a dealership right in the middle of the country, Midwest, low cost of living, low overhead means low prices. Number 2, being right in the middle of the country, I can now offer free shipping in the lower 48 states to accommodate the entire country. Number 3, I'm gonna offer do super detailed videos like you're watching right now, so you understand fully true condition of the vehicle, measurements, condition, Carfax, measurement, everything that about the vehicle, that you're ready to go. Number 4, I want to make sure every single one of our vehicles still have a nationwide warranty to protect you in case the unexpected happens. And number 5, I'm not going to employ a sales staff. Sales staff means more overhead, means higher prices. I let our one-of-a-kind reputation, these super detailed videos, and about 50 pictures of every single vehicle do all the selling. And this is how we crush the competition by $10,000 per van, but still make sure we can service the entire country. And no matter who you buy from, get you a video, not a picture. A video of the VIN number inside the van. This will help us weed out the scammers real quick. My name is Jeremiah Coleman, Island Mobility 316. You bet your backside I got this van right here in my possession. Do your due diligence, don't get scammed. All right, what we do with that VIN number, run a Carfax on every single one of our vehicles before we purchase it. I highly recommend you do the same. Not only that, I'm the only dealer in the entire country goes over the Carfax with you in detail. Shows you why I chose to spend my money on it, why I trust this vehicle, why you can too. This is pretty simple. It's got 2 owners. Now the first owner was a conversion company, so it's had that one owner that we sold it to, used it briefly. Last owned in Salt Rust Free, Texas. You can see this entire Carfax on our website at no charge to you. Carfax shows no salvage, junk, rebuilt, fire, flood, hail, or lemon brands on the title. They show no total loss. So this is not one of the super risky salvage or rebuilt titles. This is a clean title with no accidents or damage. Never been structural damage, airbags never deployed, odometer's accurate, again, no accidents or damage, and no open recalls. The vehicle did go into service May 19th of 2025, so it meets all the specs to meet a full bumper-to-bumper warranty at any Toyota dealership in the entire country until May 19th, 2028, or 36,000 miles. And then the drivetrain warranty until the May 19th, 2030, or 60,000 miles, whichever comes first. And you can see all these warranties on the Carfax when they expire miles, so on and so forth as well. And no matter who you buy from, like I mentioned, do your due diligence. Find us on eBay. 1,929 transactions. Every single one of those transactions has left us positive feedback, 100%. I think that reputation speaks for itself, but if you need more, hey, if you're like me, I go out and need a $10 cheeseburger, I check out reviews and ratings. I don't care if it's just 10 bucks, I want the best bang for my buck. I'm like you, I work hard for my money, want to get the best burger I can. I hear the horror stories all the time. These consumers tell me how they bought from a private seller, Facebook Marketplace, for example. I'm gonna let you see one of those vans that we've inspected. Get a good look at this while I talk. And can a van be fully inspected without a lift? No, it cannot. So any private sellers, Facebook Marketplace, you walk into another dealership, if they don't have a lift, that van has not been fully inspected. Are you gonna end up buying something like this because you bought a vehicle that wasn't fully inspected? And also, you have 3 advantages buying from a licensed dealer in the state of Kansas. Number 1, if you don't know what a jump title is, you better figure it out real quick. If you're gonna buy from one of these people off Facebook Marketplace, private sellers. Number 2, you can see thousands of reviews I'm going over with you to show that I'm honest, reputable, and fair. Look at that cut frame right there. That's what's supporting this vehicle. If in an accident, this is crazy that someone did this to a vehicle, but I see this all the stinking time. And then number 3, you have protection from the state. You buy from me, a licensed dealer in the state of Kansas. If I don't provide the title, if I try to scam you, I don't keep your money and don't provide the van, you can call the dealer licensing Department of Revenue. They oversee all of us here in Kansas. They are the law. They will literally come put me in jail if I try to scam you. You have these same protections, and when you buy from a private seller or Facebook Marketplace, no, you do not. You get to hire a lawyer at hundreds of dollars an hour on top of the thousands of dollars you've already been scammed to chase this person around the country, around the world, try and get some of your money back. I can already tell you how that's going to go for you. Good luck with that. Whether it's a low-end dealer, dealers with 1 and 2 and 3 star reviews, maybe low 4 stars, dealers that don't know about the law or simply don't care about the law, or it's one of these private sellers or Facebook Marketplace. I hear these buyers tell me all the time how they bought a vehicle, has a salvage title they weren't told about, flood damage they weren't notified of, major mechanical issues, engine, transmission, electrical, frame rusted out so bad it won't pass inspection in their state, unsafe to drive. You saw the frame I just showed you. I see this stuff all the time. So the bottom line is, if you want to take a huge gamble on a purchase of this magnitude, boy, good luck. If you want 5-star vans with 5-star service from the mobility dealer that has the most 5-star Google reviews of any single mobility dealership in the entire country, with free shipping, free Carfax reports, nationwide warranties with every single van, and a best price guarantee, reach out to us. We're happy to help. All right, back to the van. We do have the 2 key fobs here. Got your keyless entry inside the van. Again, darn near brand new. Got your power driver seat here. Works great. Nice clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke in this vehicle or anything like that. Got your power door on and off. You can turn this off if you want to. If you're going to use this van commercially, be in and out these doors all the time, saves a little bit of time. If you run a business, time is money. All right, I've got 4 mechanics that work for me full time. We fully inspect these vehicles up on a lift. Like I mentioned, one of the great features I also like about this van, push button start. If the key's in your pocket or your purse, you don't have to fish it out. Just put your foot on the brake. Man fires right up. You see it's got darn near a full tank of gas in it. 4,081 miles on this van. Got your backup camera there. And on my floor mechanics that I do have work for me, also has the adaptive cruise control, keep you a safe following distance from the vehicles in front of you. Has the lane assist right here to keep you in your lane in case you not paying attention. You can sync up your phone there to keep your eyes on the road. And we have our blind spot monitor over there, which will illuminate yellow on our test drive when somebody's in my blind spot. Even though the van only has 4,000 miles, we fully inspected it. Power mirrors, windows, locks, heat, air, cruise, belts, hoses, suspension, steering. Got it up on the lift, took it on a road test, checked the tires, replaced fluids as necessary. We're very thorough in everything we do, and there's many reasons we do that. Two of the main reasons are when this vehicle shows up to your place with our free shipping, I want you to say that's exactly the vehicle Jeremiah represented in the pictures and videos. Number two, I'm applying for a job. I plan on getting that job, and that's being your mobility dealer. I want you to look at all these lazy ads out there, 4 or 5 lazy pictures, too cheap to do a Carfax, too lazy to get out here and do a video. Yeah, put our resume up next to theirs, and you let me know who you want to invest your hard-earned money with. This engine will kick on and off as needed with the hybrid system in here. Charge that battery. These things are pretty awesome. And of course, very clean underneath. A brand new Toyota. Underneath the van, much of the same. No sign of any crumpled up metal from an accident. No sign of any oil or fluid leaks. No sign of any water damage from being in a flood. That's the number one mistake consumers make when they purchase vehicles. They assume things. They assume just because, hey, it's only got 4,000 miles on it, it must be mechanically sound. It's never been a bad accident or a flood. That's the most dangerous thing you can do. I frequently see brand new vehicles at auction that have flood damage. You know what happens? These dealers take on a flood. They're gonna rush these vehicles over to auction. They're gonna dump them off to make them someone else's problem, all before that flood hits the Carfax. My point in telling you this, if that kind of stuff can happen with a brand new vehicle, you better know what you get when you're purchasing a used vehicle. So what I want you to do, I want you to go check out my competitors. I don't care if it's a private individual. I don't care if it's Facebook Marketplace. I don't care if it's another dealer. I want you to ask yourself, do they show you thousands of reviews online so you know you're dealing with someone honest, reputable, and fair? Do they show you a free Carfax report so you know you're buying a vehicle that's got a clean title, no major accidents, never been in a flood? They get out on the ground here on this hot pavement and show you the undercarriage so you can see no sign of any crumpled up metal from an accident, no sign of any oil or fluid leaks. They even bother taking a couple pictures, much less a detailed video of the undercarriage. How about the roof? Often I climb up at auction, I see one of these vehicles, even new vehicles, with just crushed roof with hail damage or some other kind of damage. But most often the sellers don't fix the roof because most people don't get up here and look at the roof. You know who does? Jeremiah with Mobility 316. That's who. You better do the same. That roof can get 10 or 15 grand to replace real quick. So when it comes to price, reputation, full transparency, and show you the exact vehicle you're getting, please put our resume up next to anybody in the country. And what happens if you end up buying one of these vans and you can't get a title for it because you're dealing with a shady individual? I'm dealing with that right now. One of these shady conversion companies can't get the customer a title. It's turned into a huge fiasco, and I'm not doing business with that company anymore. I'll tell you that right now. So bottom line is, even if it's got VIN number issues on title or the vehicle, if you can't get the vehicle to pass inspection in your state, you spot a very expensive vehicle that you can't even drive. So to avoid these issues and so many more, do 4 things before you buy from anybody. First of all, 3 things. First of all, demand a detailed video like this. And I'm not talking some lazy 30-second walk around, folks. This is a major purchase. You're not buying a brand new pair of tennis shoes off Amazon. This is a big deal. Demand a detailed video. Number 2, show me the Carfax. Demand a Carfax report. Yes, Carfax are the most expensive VIN inspection there is. Your seller needs to pay for a Carfax. You don't need to pay for a Carfax. You're telling me someone's gonna ask you to spend over 60 grand on a vehicle, but they won't provide a $45 Carfax? Folks, that's when all the red flags, the bells, whistles, sirens should be going off in your head saying, whoa, something's not right here. This cat wants me to spend 60 grand, but they won't spend 45 bucks, so I know I'm getting a good vehicle, or one of the ways to determine getting a good vehicle. So don't settle for a cheap knockoff. Demand a Carfax. Third and finally, demand a warranty. Like I mentioned, that the full conversion warranty meets all the specs to be under the manufacturer warranty from Toyota anywhere in the country. You do not have to bring this back to Wichita, Kansas. And we have long-term extended warranties as well, very affordable. Talk to us about how we can help affordably protect your investment long-term. Let's get her out for a test drive. All right, final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans out on the highway Once you hear the radio works, you've got the Sirius XM lined up. Give them some gas so you can hear the engine run. Feel the transmission shift through all the gears, and you know, whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or you come and drive this little Toyota home, we've done our due diligence, made sure it's road worthy. And don't be confused by the hybrid, fooled by the hybrid. These will get up and go. They'll jump up to 70 miles an hour, no problems. Got the cruise control set. Cruise works good. Runs and drives like a brand new van. And do keep in mind, if you'd ever like to come visit us, we do welcome that. But we do 100% require an appointment 365 days a year. Remember, we do not employ a sales staff here. Help us keep overhead low and prices even lower. I need you to take 30 to 60 seconds of your life. Call us, text us, let us know which vehicle or vehicles you'd like to look at. We'll be organized, prepared, and sit you down for a consultation with a mobility professional, not a used car salesman. Speaking of used car salesmen, we don't have any hidden bogus dealer's fees. So many of these dealers, they put a real nice price online, but they've hidden in the fine print, a $500 administrative fee. They got a document fee, they got tag fee, they got freight, you name it, they got a fee for it. You know what they don't have? Free shipping, free Carfax reports, and a Carfax, like I mentioned, free shipping. So by the time you add up all the hidden bogus fees, some shipping, and a Carfax, that real nice price you saw online has now jumped $5,000 to $10,000. Quit falling for all these used car salesman games and gimmicks. There's literally a name for this in the business. It's called making money on the back end. These dealers intentionally put a very nice price online. The goal is to get you to come in or call and talk to one of their used car salesmen. Their used car salesmen do used car salesman things, and next thing you know, you're walking out paying $10,000 over sticker. Quit falling for these. Ask about all these before you buy, or sit back, relax. Let me take care of all that for you at no additional charge to you. And if someone's not being fully transparent about their pricing, what else are they not being fully transparent about? Boy, this is way too big of a purchase to find out. Coming down the ramp, nice hard brake. There was no grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noise or vibration. Again, exactly what we're looking for. Now, if you'd like to give us a call or text is by far the fastest way to get in touch with us. That way, anyone on our staff can see that text come through, respond to you as soon as possible. Call or text 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name's Jeremiah. I'm the owner. That's a direct line to reach out to call or text me. And I challenge you. I want you to ask those big box stores, are they committed enough to customer service to give you a direct line to call or text the owner of the company? Had to turn the AC down. It's freezing me out, but it works great. Or are they going to send you, have you call in, end up in somebody's voicemail, never get a call back? Or maybe you do get that live person. It's that super aggressive, pushy used car salesman who now has your phone number, going to call you, text you, blow you up 10 times a day, try and pressure you into making a deal so they can get that commission check. So if you're like me, sick of being treated like just a number by all these companies out there with horrible customer service, and you want to avoid that used car salesman like the plague, just like I do, give us that call or text. We'll walk you through start to finish, and I promise you, we're going to sell the Sienna whether you buy it or not. Absolutely zero pressure sales here. Yes, we do have financing available. We can send an application to your phone or email address. If computers aren't your thing, get in touch with us. We're more than happy to take an application over the phone. And yes, we do take trade-ins, even from across the country, whether standard or a mobility vehicle. Get in touch with us. I can explain how that works. And reminder, if you ever want to come visit us, we do welcome that. But you 100% must make an appointment 365 days a year. There are no exceptions to this rule. And if you made it to the end of our video, thank you for hanging in there. I know this is a long video, but hey, it's a major purchase. I'm trying to be as thorough as I possibly can. And if you'd like to see our entire inventory with one-of-a-kind detailed videos just like this, free shipping, free Carfax reports, never any hidden bogus dealer's fees, dozens of pictures of every single vehicle, all accompanied by a nationwide warranty, all from the most thorough, transparent, and highly rated mobility dealer in the entire country. Check out our website 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. And as always, thank you so much for checking us out at Mobility 316, where mobility is affordable. Give us that call or text today. We really appreciate you checking us out, giving us a chance to earn your business. And I hope you have yourself a wonderful day.